Today's lesson is D major. Start with your first finger on the second fret of the third string, your third finger on the third fret of the second string, and your middle finger on the second fret of the first string. Have your thumb over top, over the second fret, muting the low string so you can't hear it, just touching it lightly. And you should have something like this. Do one note at a time for clarity. So mute, open, open, second fret, third fret, second fret. All right, make sure your third finger is not touching the first string or the third string. Make sure you're on your fingertip. All right, for a closer look, you got your thumb, you got your first finger, your third finger, your middle finger. Keep them as close to the frets as possible. Make sure this finger, your third finger, is not touching either string underneath or on top. All right? Again, D major. That's it. If you find these videos helpful and informative, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And also, if you have any requests, leave them in the comments. Thanks.